29 of March 2025. Welcome all friends at the Dharma. As now we got attachment to this body, because we not realize the reality of this body. This body actually got 6 elements. According to medicine doctor or even Thai herbal medical doctor, they will explain about 5th element, earth element, fire element, air element, and water element, and space element. You not exercise, then you got poor space element. Okay? You need exercise, then you got more space element. Comfortable will develop more space element. So that's why now in herbal medicine, Thai herbal medicine, they just improve the 4 elements by tell you develop more space element by massage. Relax. When you got space element, all arising dissolve, you got sick illness on the body, but not sick and illness in your mind, because your mind awareness of space. Okay? Then you just awareness of space, know what you know, see what you see, all sickness, illness arising and dissolve in space, arising and dissolve. You got pain of the body, not suffer in your mind. Okay? Then when you got awareness of space, okay, just knowing the present moment, eye consciousness, ear consciousness, body consciousness, tongue consciousness, nose consciousness, and mind consciousness. Mind consciousness, awareness of this body in daily life got 4 posture: sitting, standing, walking, sleeping. Can you just awareness of sitting, full awareness on Mother Earth? Because when you got full awareness of yourself sitting on Mother Earth, in your mind it got space element also. So then you got space element of body, space element of your mind become one together, and then there you got more consciousness element. Okay, so that's why this will help you to deepen your meditative state and deepen your vipassana and insight. If I just awareness of computer very close, but if I just have a distance, I can see really the keyboard and the letter A, B, C. I can type it, but if it's attachment here, I don't know how to type computer. Okay, because I got already too close, and not only too close, I got attachment. I am hot, I'm cold, I have fever. No, because you don't know the nature. The nature of this body, it got 4 elements. You just awareness of space, then you can realize, oh, hot is hot, but not you hot. Cold is cold, not you are cold. Okay? Then this will help you deepen your meditative state. So how to develop space element? Just relaxing the whole body, and just sit firmly, connect to earth. Because when you sit and you not sit firmly, you just sit. When you just sit, you don't feel you're sitting, then you lost in thought. When you feel you're sitting comfortable and relaxing, become one with the present moment sitting on earth. No thought. Okay, that's why today we just awareness of space element, and then in space element you can realize consciousness element arising. This is the 6th element. 6th element is consciousness. Consciousness is the knower, knowing, or consciousness element. Now you cannot realize the consciousness element, because it become aggregate. aggregate with perception, aggregate with sensual pleasure, aggregate with thought aggregate. But as far as you just bring more awareness of your body and awareness of your body into sixth element or fifth element first. The fifth element is space element. When you awareness of space, it becomes sensing. First it becomes aggregate, knowing, I am sitting, I am walking, I am hungry, I am thinking. But when you just stay awareness of the fifth element or space, everything no you, no I, is only arising, disappearing, arising, dissolve, arising and dissolve, thought arising, dissolve, okay? And pain arising and dissolve, okay? Breathing arise, coming in and coming out, then you got more consciousness, wake up. So if you would like to develop more insight, you need to develop more consciousness element, wake up. But consciousness element cannot wake up more and more because you not realize the space, okay? When you not realize the space, I pain, I am cold, I am hot, I am warm, I am breathing in, I am breathing out. It's only I and I. But if you just awareness of space, you can see the nature of this body. Earth element, fire element, air element, water element. It got working in space, okay? And space element of body, it connect to space element of your mind. And space element of your mind connect to space element of the nature and universe, okay? When you keep your mind relaxed, calm and cool, it got space element, okay? And even someone from, okay, I'm now in Australia. Someone from Thailand phone me, Master, help me please. My dad, my mom in hospital. I just relax and just sit mindfully. Space element wake up. Space element wake up. Then Thailand and Australia, I awareness of space. Then Thailand and Australia come nearer. Okay, come nearer. And then I don't know where mom or dad stay in which hospital. You just calm down your mind first. Okay, and I just calm down and space, and then you just tell me what happening. Then I just connect. Even in Thailand, very far, but we connect immediately. Okay, and then we got share merit from conscious element. Blessing you and your dad, your mom get recovery soon. Okay, something like that. So when your daughter, your son not come back home, you are very worried, okay? But calm down your mind, and then more calm down, it becomes space, and becomes space. Then you don't know where your son, your daughter, but when you calm down, it becomes space element. You just conscious in your mind, conscious calling your daughter or son from your consciousness. Come now, I'm waiting for you. But if you are in worry, come now. They not recognize what cannot recognize you. But you calm down and space. Then even your son, your daughter go anywhere, you just go to space and with connection. Come down. Now it's too dark. It's raining. Come now. Then he or she can get your message and come back. Okay? But this is from space element. The benefit got to benefit for deepen your meditative state. Connect to your family. Connect to your people. Connect to all in the universe. But we don't have to go too far because the purpose to learn space element is to develop knowledge. Okay? So the benefit of space element, when you practice more, it go to infinite space. Okay? Infinite space, but that is not the point. Not the point that we will practice. We only awareness of space element, and then we got Dhamma eye or insight, seeing this body got functioning of 4 elements. Okay? Seeing this body got 5 aggregate. Okay? This is my purpose. Okay? So that is when you got relaxed awareness of space. In space, what you see, what you learn more. I just tell you, sit mindfully, relax first, and sit mindfully, no thought, and sit comfortably, relaxingly, more space, and sit grounding on Mother Earth, more space. What you learn, what you see, what you know about this body. This body now sitting and got 4 elements: earth element, rising, falling, air element, fire element, water element. And what you learn more, sit mindfully. This body got breathing. And then breathe mindfully. Sit mindfully, breathe mindfully. Then you got more a distance from the object of knowing, that is body or 4 elements. You got a distance, then you got seeing more clearer. This body is only the composition of 4 elements. And what you see, you can see earth element, fire element, all elements arising and dissolve. Then you got the first knowledge, vipassana jhana. Then you don't need to go deep into meditative state. You just awareness of calmness and space, calmness and emptiness. That is the way to space element. Okay? So that's why sometimes you don't know. You always concentration, and then after that you feel wake up, space, and then you don't know what to do next. Okay? So I just tell you to got this knowledge first. When you go to meditative state, what is meditative state? Space element. Okay? You go to another plane. Another plane is space element, and more another plane is conscious element. Okay? Space element you develop calmness. Conscious element you develop knowledge and insight. So if you know this knowledge, calmness meditation, just go to space, relaxing, comfortably, comfort yourself, feel yourself comfort, space. You go to calmness in 1 minute, otherwise you don't know this thing. You have to do concentration. After that, more concentration, mindfully, it becomes space in your mind. Okay? And maybe it takes 15 minutes to go to calmness, or calmness, it is space. Okay? Then you can see in space, body bigger, or in space, your body feel more weight on sitting, grounding or something. Right? In space, you see phenomena. So be conscious. In meditative state, be conscious. So then you have to understand about in space, at least consciousness of the 4 main portion. Okay? You don't know breathing, never mind. But awareness of space and the space, now what you doing? Basically, you are sitting. Then you got in space consciousness element, and conscious element wake up, conscious every moment of breathing by itself. It looks like point, send from consciousness element. Or you just notice, then you bring conscious element to the access and notice. It got concentration from the access. So that's why I just tell you, you can do concentration, look at me, but access concentration from the access, notice yourself. Can you? Listen to me and notice your body, yourself, how sitting, how breathing. Can you? Okay? This is we call Upachara Samadhi, 3 level of Samadhi. First level, now most of you are in the first level, only Khanika Samadhi, concentration. But you just come back to the knower, okay? And this is Zen meditation always tell you, you look at the breathing and who know the breathing? Who know? Come to the knower, and where is the knower? Just notice together. Notice yourself. When you notice from the access, you can realize this body into sensation of the four elements. I look at you, I look at form, look at the Buddha statue, but when I notice myself, I notice myself into sensation. Whenever you notice from your mind notice the body, it becomes sensation. And when you can notice, you get awareness of sensation of body, then it connects to awareness of sensation of your mind together. Okay? Now, when you notice, so in the first practice, I just tell you, watch your breathing and notice the whole sensation arising, disappearing, watch and notice. But now, you open eye, when you just go to space, first, notice it become more one-pointedness. It become one point. Then I can tell you, look at me, listen to my thought. Can you point how you sitting, how you breathing? From pure mind. Point. With no force. We call from initial thought. Point. That's why people know how to develop the first jhana, initial thought, vitakka, and awareness, sustained awareness, vichara, joy, happiness, and one-pointedness. This is the 5 factors of the first jhana state. But now you don't know about initial thought. You just focus from the thought. Your brain thinking about breathing, but you don't know, keep attention from your mind on your breathing. Can you keep attention on your breathing? And notice. Attention and notice. And notice and point. Point and aware. You got joy and happiness. Because more notice and aware and just point. No doer in the practice. Joy and happiness coming up. Okay? So now you got joy and happiness. Normally you sit meditation, maybe you need 10-15 minutes to got joy and happiness. But now, if you got joy and happiness from the beginning, you already there. Okay? You already there into meditative state. And more joy and happiness if you just awareness of space, not go attachment to the four elements, to the body. Go wake up awareness of space, and in space you just see sitting, breathing, and sitting, breathing mindfully. When you sitting, breathing mindfully, you got more consciousness in space. It become point every moment of breathing. Now everybody focus breath and breathing, but cannot focus every moment of breathing. Cannot. Only focus the position of breathing. But if you got point, Even you look at me, can you point every moment of breathing, mindfully, naturally, gently, and everywhere. Now you can do meditation from the access point, from the access you can open eye. Okay? Even daily life you open eye, but this is the mindfulness eye. Notice or point. Point the way you sit, the way you breathing, how you feeling, and then more come up to space element. It can point, knowing element wake up. Knowing element wake up. And knowing element wake up in response to eye consciousness, in response to ear consciousness. Then you can realize knowing element arising and dissolve. When you got eye consciousness, then change to ear consciousness, then change to tongue consciousness, nose consciousness, it arising and dissolve, arising, dissolve. Then you got clear mind. Clear mind is arising and dissolve as well. The same as thought, arising, dissolve, but clear mind arising this and dissolve in response to eye contact, in response to ear contact, in response to tongue contact, in response to nose contact, in response to body contact. Now, touch, 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 touch. Conscious or not? Conscious every moment? Touch now, touch, 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 tap, touch, point, 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 relax, 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 point, 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 and calm and freedom. Your mind consciousness more, it become more equality. Just the knower, just the seer. Point, point, point. Not involved. Just see, just know, just know, just see, just know. More you just know, just see, just know. You got gladness and you got absorption. Go to the jhana state. Okay? So that's why we need not only one day. One day I can tell you the practice, but you need to get more practice by yourself. Today, 3 days. Also, I just talk. And told me in May there is a Thai monk coming here on 14 to 71. A Thai monk come here. They got invitation. They have a big group coming up, and then the last weekend, 77, 78. No guest teacher. And I just talked to this morning who offered me dana. The couple, man, what her in this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just tell me this year no teacher teaching on the Vesak Day. Okay, Vesak Day like retreat at the Newsbury. Then I talk. I don't have time. How long for retreat? 5 days, 7 days. Oh, I have not much time. Can make it 3 days? They say, okay, 3 days, okay, something like that. Because normally you have retreat on occasion of Vesak Day, Maka Puja Day, okay? This year, no, in May, no schedule. He just said, no schedule. And then I check schedule of the Thai monk. Thai monk come the 3rd weekend, okay? Here, the 3rd weekend.
What's the monk's name?
อาจารย์
I'll ask you later.
Okay, he come the 3rd weekend.
Okay.
He come start here, stay here 14 to 21. He come a bit a big group, but a big group just rent a house nearby. I'm not sure, maybe he also stay outside and come. He talk here on 14, 15 and go to Vimokha Param. I went to Vimokha Param yesterday. Also, Ajahn, the airport told me, okay, he will come there one day. Okay, and I asked Anand when he finished his talk, 21st, and then Anand say, if I would like to come, maybe 23rd, Friday, and Saturday, Sunday, and then Saturday, Sunday, I just got information about Vesak Day. Normally you got retreat for 3 days, 5 days, 1 week, but this May you have no retreat. This morning the couple told me. Then I asked him, can do retreat for 3 days? And Uncle Alfred, you know Alfred, WhatsApp me, Master, welcome you, Newsbury ready to welcome me for retreat. But I asked how long retreat? Can make it 3 days? Okay, 3 days, okay, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, something like that. So just tell you have a discussion, okay? And you let me know, okay? Possible or not, never mind, okay?
Ajahn, we've only got 15 minutes.
Okay, now question and answer.
Was there any questions in there?
Yeah, 15 minutes. Okay, now, understand now? Emptiness first, but what is emptiness? It's only space, relax first, okay? Relax first, then you got seeing or thinking to 4 elements. Pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. Okay? Your thought also pop up, pop up, pop up, pop up. Okay? So awareness of space. Then you feel relaxed more and more in daily life. Space. Then you connect to the nature. Space. And more relaxed of space. Remember, consciousness on 4 posture. Sitting, knowing, sitting on Mother Earth. Walking on Mother Earth. I got experience. Sleeping on Mother Earth. One night, I feel like I sitting on big earth. Not on bed, on big earth. Oh, very good. It looks like you let go everything, okay? So more crowding on earth. You just become one with earth, standing on earth, walking on earth, sit on earth. How to awareness of earth? Space first. And also the master in Thailand, one master, he is 99 years old, passed away. He just teaching sky meditation. He teaching just feel yourself sitting in the sky. Very good as well. Up to you. You can sitting on earth or sitting in sky. Okay? Open awareness, then you got more space. And then you can see all arising, disappearing, Okay? Now, sitting on earth and awareness of practice, meditation, mindfulness of breathing in the sky. Just look out the window, see the sky. Okay? Feel the sky, feel you are sitting on earth, and in the sky, then you can see this body only 4 elements, walking, 4 elements, sitting, and more you become one with earth and sky, you got awareness of space, and then you got awareness of more consciousness become aggregate, thinking on the 4 elements. Now it become wake up, it become element, conscious element, and that is the starting on the path to enlightenment. Consciousness wake up from attachment, wake up become element that is arising with eye contact, arising and dissolve, ear contact, arising, dissolve. Before I cannot notice this thing, but now I always notice. Oh, the Buddha teaching very deep and profound. Even consciousness is every moment it works in correspondence to eye contact, ear contact, and then when you can realize this, but it's not one point of mind. When eye contact, it's not clear knowing, it's not clear knowing. But when you awareness of space, it become sense in response to eye contact, and then respond and let go, response and let go. Sense. When you not just only sense, you only look and think, look and think, you lose conscious mind. Okay? Just connect, sense. So today I teach you point yourself and then send sick consciousness by simply disappearing. I can rely now. Sick consciousness. You need very good mindfulness. Send. Freedom of mind. Okay. So now, just turn inward. Concentration from your thought, from your brain. Go to concentration from the axis. Then access, concentration, point until consciousness send. Then just live naturally, walk naturally, sit naturally, and send. Any question?
No. All good, thank you.
Yeah, you can realize something?
Sorry.
Can you realize something?
Yeah, I realised that me being here is a gift.
Yeah,
Your knowledge is very superior.
yeah, experience.
I really appreciate
Only
it.
more absorption, experience. And then consciousness getting more wake up and more freedom of mind, more pureness, okay? And then you got more knowledge. And knowledge sink into the Four Noble Truths. When you got suffering, then you can send suffering come to your heart. And when you send, you can send the cause of suffering as well. And then you can send the way to end suffering and the cessation of suffering. Otherwise difficult. You just watch or focus suffering. Difficult to focus suffering. Okay, when you focus breathing in, breathing out, and then you notice sensation first. Sensation more notice, you got more point. More point, you got more send. Then you can send even you got suffering. Before you got suffering for whole day. Now suffering come, you can send it, suffering gone. And then when suffering gone, you can send the way to end suffering. Okay, in this way. So everything come to the Four Noble Truths. Okay, to send the Four Noble Truths. You cannot look at the Four Noble Truths because it's not by eye, it's not outside, it's inside. You only send, or in the beginning, aware. Okay, mindfulness and awareness. More mindfulness and awareness, it will become consciousness. Clear conscious mind, wake up. Consciousness element wake up, and every time wake up, it send suffering. Every time it wake up, it send the cause of suffering. Every time wake up, it send the way to end suffering. Every time wake up, it send the end of suffering. Okay? In this way. You can review my talk. I will put in YouTube. You write my name, Vimokkha. I will put in YouTube. Okay? Okay, we finish today's session. Sadhu. Any question? Good enough today, 4:30. Tomorrow I will just keep talk only mindfulness. Because for general people, sit mindfully, work mindfully. It's good enough for 1.5 hours. And see what happening. See what you got more mindfulness, more consciousness. Okay? But today you learn step by step. Okay? But tomorrow you can come morning talk, review again. Mindfulness of breathing. I just not before you do concentration of breathing, but in the doctrine, the Buddhist doctrine, mindfulness of breathing. Then I just tell you breathe mindfully. Breathe mindfully, you can apply in daily life. When you listen to my talk, can you breathe mindfully as well? How you feel when you breathe mindfully? Feel relaxed, feel more spacious, more calmness. Calmness is actually a space element, okay? That's right. That's why Tibetan, they told you technique. When you sit meditation, keep your mouth tucked in. Then in your mouth, if you keep your mouth tucked in, space in your mouth connect to space in your mind and connect to space and boundary space. Okay? Then Tibetan is good for shortcut to emptiness. Tibetan. I like Tibetan. I was saying shortcut to emptiness. Now smile, but your mouth tucked in. Conscious space element when your mouth tucked in and smile. Spaces on your body, skin, in your mouth, and smile. It connects to your heart. So to deepen your meditative state, you need to know about space element, and then you can go shortcut into meditative state. But knowledge cannot shortcut. Knowledge you must develop more. First awareness, notice, aware, and contemplation with point, sense. It takes time, knowledge. Knowledge you need to develop day by day, month by month, but meditative state. Just smile and keep your mouth tucked in. Okay, what I can do for you? And then smile. You got power of mind. Okay, thanks for joining my class. Sadhu. See you tomorrow.